Hi, day 12, 75 hard challenge. So I was about to leave for my workout. तो मैंने decide किया it's already been 12 days. So why not reflect on those 12 days and tell you all the backstory, why did I started this challenge and what are my plans with this challenge. So the first question, why did I started this challenge? It was 31st December, midnight, and I was reflecting on the past year कि कैसा गया, क्या था, क्या नहीं. So I realized I did nothing like transformational and nothing to like remember that year by. And I was really disappointed. At that time, I did ran 21 kilometers hill marathon, but that was it. I trained for it almost for 2 to 3 months and then I stopped running also. सो डिसाइडेड कि इस बार तो कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा, ये साल भी सेम लास्ट ईयर जैसा नहीं जा सकता. सो आई टुक अप माई डायरी एंड स्टार्टेड प्लानिंग इट ऑल आउट. एंड this 75 hard challenge, I was like following some content creators who were doing this challenges, and I was very fascinated and I never thought I will be able to do it because 75 hard is like 75 days are like too long. बट स्टिल आई वॉज लाइक कि अगर कुछ चेंज लाना है तो वैसा मेजर करना पड़ेगा तो ही वो चेंज आएगा. तो डिसाइड किया लेट्स स्टार्ट. एंड आई वॉज नॉट लाइक गोइंग टू like share all this on YouTube, but eventually I decided and thought कि क्या ही हो जाएगा, let's share, because I'm not that kind of a person who shares a lot on social media, not even on Instagram. तो डिसाइड किया ये भी एक चेंज ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज गिवन अभी जो चल रहा है जैसे है सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड आई हैव टू हैव माई सोशल प्रेजेंस सम डे. लाइक इट्स गुड टू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सोशल प्रेजेंस. तो सो आई डिसाइडेड चलो ये एक अच्छा तरीका होगा वैसा, और क्या ही होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, कोई नहीं देखेगा, एटलीस्ट घर वाले देखेंगे, 5 लोग देखेंगे, क्या ही होगा, कुछ तो मिलेगा ही एट द एंड इससे. So I decided to post also. And next day was 1st Jan. I woke up and there was this like random feeling ki let's shoot this kind of shot, that kind of shot, and my brain was acting accordingly, like what next shot I can take and what next, what should I say next and all. So I started this. And yes, that's it. That is my journey till now. It's only 12 days, I know, but I really hope that I like successfully end this challenge. And the next thing I really wanted to answer was, what will be the scope of this channel, or at least what are my goals with this challenge? So first, when I started, my only goal was to do a single pull-up. I have been like trying to do pull-ups since like 1.5 years, but I'm not able to do it, not even close. So my ultimate goal was to do single pull-up, but let's see, I'm like being a little bit more optimistic and I really want more from it. So, but pull-up is there, yeah, I want to do a single pull-up. Yes, then I realized one more thing about the 75 hard challenge was like it's like somewhat like sad reality of 75 hard. You cannot do it all. Like you have to be consistent in few things. You cannot be consistent in each and every single activity you selected. And then you can't be like, oh यार मैंने तो यार ये सोचा था पर हर रोज़ तो ये नहीं हो रहा है. तो I dropped that idea and I thought let's do 2 things at least. That was exercise and meditation. अगर ये भी हर रोज़ कर लिया तो भी कुछ बहुत कुछ कर लिया वैसा है. बाकी जो चीज़ें हैं, म्यूज़िक हो गई, बुक्स हो गया, बुक्स पढ़ना हो गया, या ईटिंग हेल्दी, तो ये सब जैसे हफ्ते में 4 दिन भी कर लिया, 3 दिन भी कर दिया, दैट इज़ इनफ फॉर बिगिनिंग. फिर धीरे धीरे वो जैसे जैसे हैबिट बिल्ड होगी वैसे वैसे यू विल बी मोर कंसिस्टेंट विद इट. But there should be some like non-negotiables. That was exercise and meditation for me. That I don't skip even a single day, at least till now. Then we'll see. Yes, in scope of this channel, I think I'll take up different challenges, but I really want to like grow this channel sustainably and consistently posting on this channel, and like that slow growth. I really want that slow growth for this channel. And so let's see, hope for the best. And yeah, and also thank you everyone whosoever is watching, commenting, liking my videos. Like it, I think it's I can't fathom it. Some videos are getting views in thousands. Some are five. I only expected 10 views, frankly speaking, and my videos are getting 100 views, 500 views, 1,000 views sometimes. So that's very like surprising for me. And some people are also commenting. So thank you everyone for watching, and please keep watching. I'll be posting very consistently, whatever, like wherever my life takes me, I'll find something to post. So thank you everyone for watching. See you tomorrow.